This video shows you how to create an overview map with Maptitude. Sometimes you will want to start your projects with an overview map of a state, city, or neighborhood. In the Home window, choose the New Map of United States option. Note, if you are using a different country package, then this option will instead have the name of your respective country. When I click OK, Maptitude opens the Create a Map Wizard dialog box, where I can specify the area that I would like to display in the map. The types of locations will vary slightly depending on what country package you are using, but here are the options for the United States country package, which lets you display a map of an address, city, state, zip code, etc. So for example, to create a map of Massachusetts, I would choose US State, enter MA in the name box, and click Finish. That's all there is to it. Maptitude creates a map, zoom to the location that you specified. To add another overview map to your workspace, you would choose Map, New Map, and specify a different location. For example, I will add a map showing the location of zip code 90045. Maptitude also includes several pre-designed thematic maps that you can open and display at a specific location. I'm going to close this workspace, choose File, New Workspace, choose New Demographic Map in the Home window, and click OK. Maptitude displays the Map Librarian, where you can choose a map category, one or more maps. For example, I'll choose the median home value by zip code map, and a location. I don't have any bookmarks or maps open, so I just have this one option, so I'll click OK and specify a location much the same way as with Create a Map Wizard before. I'll choose US State, and this time enter GA for Georgia, and click OK. Maptitude opens a map showing the median owner-occupied housing unit value by zip code in Georgia. Finally, if you have more than one country package installed, you can specify the one to use when you create your map. I'll choose File, New Workspace one last time. I'll click Change Country and choose the Canada country package that I also have installed. Now I'll choose New Map of Canada and click OK. Notice, as I mentioned before, that the list of locations automatically updates to features that can be mapped in Canada. So now, for example, I'll choose Canada City Town and enter Sudbury, Ontario, and click Finish. And that's all there is to creating an overview map with Maptitude.